Our next topic is drawings against capital and drawings against profit. First, let us understand what do you mean by drawings. Let's say I have introduced rupees 1 lakh in my business, and out of that 1 lakh I have withdrawn rupees 20,000. For what purpose? For my personal purpose, not for business purpose, for my personal purpose. Then that 20,000 which I have withdrawn for my personal purpose is drawings. Then the capital remained in the firm is only rupees 80,000. So there are two types of drawings in the partnership firm. The first is drawings against capital and the other is drawings against profit. So first let us understand drawings against capital. Let's say I have introduced, there is a capital on 1st April 2019 rupees 1 lakh, and interest on capital is given at the rate of 12% per annum, and interest on drawings is given at the rate of 10% per annum. And I have withdrawn, this is drawing, I have withdrawn rupees 20,000 on 1st October 2019. Then this is drawings against capital. This is drawings against capital. And let's say rupees 20,000 is also given as drawings against profit. Then how will we dealing with when that drawings is considered against capital and against profit? When it is given that I have a capital on 1st April 2019 as for 1 lakh rupees, and I have withdrawn 20,000 when on 1st October 2019. That means from 1st April to 30th September, my capital was rupees 1 lakh, and our drawings against capital means out of capital I have withdrawn. Not out of profit, out of capital I have withdrawn 1 lakh rupees. That means from 1st April to 30 September, my capital was rupees 1 lakh. Now from 1st October, because I have done the withdrawings when? On 1st October. From 1st October to 31st March. From 1st October to March month, my capital has been reduced to 80,000. Because I have done a drawings of rupees 20,000. That means from 1st April to 30 September, interest on capital. When there is a drawings against capital, then you have to calculate interest on capital. So let's calculate interest on capital. From 1st April to September, that is 6 months, interest on capital will be calculated for 6 months. And the rate is given 12%. And again, this is only of 6 months from October to March. What will be the capital? My capital is only 80,000, and that is also for 6 months, and the rate is 12%. So in this way, we will be calculating interest on capital. So the amount will be 6,048. The total amount will be 10,800. When there is a drawings against capital, then what you have to calculate? Interest on capital, not interest on drawings. But if that drawings is considered as drawings against profit, that means my capital has not been reduced. My capital is 1 lakh rupees only, and out of profit, let's say my firm में profit हुआ 50,000 rupees. Then I have withdrawn that amount out of my profit. Then that is drawings against profit. That means मेरे capital क्या है firm में? मेरे capital तो 1 lakh के 1 lakh ही है. तो interest on capital जब हम calculate करेंगे, in the case when it is drawings against profit, तो interest on capital will be calculated on rupees 1 lakh only. That is 1 lakh into 12%, because that is drawings against profit. But if it would have been drawings against capital, then that is the drawings amount, that is the withdrawal amount. But if it is drawings against profit, On 1 lakh, my capital is 1 lakh only. There is no change in my capital. So 1 lakh 12%, that is 12,000 would have been my interest on capital. But if that drawings is drawings against profit, interest on capital would have been 12,000 only. But interest on drawings, this time we have to calculate interest on drawings. So interest on drawings, what it would have been? That is 20,000, 10%. Rate is given 10% per annum, and that also for which months? 6 months. What it would have been? 1,000 rupees. Again, how I have written this 6 out of 12? Whenever per annum is given to you in the question and date of this drawing is not given, that is the date of drawings against profit is not given, then you have to calculate of average period, that is you have to calculate the drawings amount for 6 months. But in the case of drawings against capital, the date is given to you, it will be calculated for 6 months only. Again, I am repeating this. There are two types of drawings. One is drawings against capital and the other is drawings against profit. In the case of drawings against capital, our capital amount changes, and so interest on capital will be calculated, including, that is taking into mind, keeping in mind this amount. But in the case of drawings against profit, our capital remains the same. Interest on capital will be calculated for the whole year. Interest on capital will be calculated for the whole capital amount. But interest on drawings, how much drawings I have done? Only of 20,000. तो इस केस में हमें 1,80,000 करके तो कुछ भी सॉल्व नहीं करना है, बस ड्राइंग्स जितना किए हैं उसका हमें इंटरेस्ट निकाल लेना है. तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स कितना होगा? 20,000. रेट इज गिवन 10%. व्हाट आई सेड, इफ इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन पर एनम, then you have to calculate for 6 months. Otherwise, all the things are same. Keep in mind one thing, if it is given to you in the question only 10% and in the other one it is given 10% per annum. If it is given to you in the question 10% per annum and the other is 10%, then how will you calculate interest on drawings? If it is only 10%, let's say the amount of drawing is 10,000. Then you have to only calculate for 10% out of that 10,000. That is 1,000. That is, if this drawing is done on 1st October also, but per annum is not written here, then you have to ignore this time period. Then you have to ignore that time period. Very important point. And the other thing is, when drawings amount is, let's say 10,000 and rate is given 10%, but in the question per annum is given to you and date of drawings is not given, and in this case also, let's say date of drawing is not given to you, then you don't have to take 6 out of 12 because per annum is not given. But if it is given to you per annum and date of drawings is not given to you, then you have to calculate for 6 months. Then interest on drawings will be calculated for 6 months.